If you're searching for how to buy shares of Kforce Inc., this quick guide will show the practical steps. Kforce is a staffing and consulting company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KFRC, and this content is educational, not financial advice. To buy KFRC, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar to find the company by name or ticker. Type KFRC to locate Kforce Inc. and select the correct NASDAQ listing. On the asset page, review the company overview, sector information, and the price chart to understand recent moves. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ and the ticker KFRC so you have the right stock. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For a direct link to eToro and more resources, check the description below.